Welcome to eBiyahe Academy, your one step closer to success. Here in eBiyahe Academy, you will learn how to navigate your portal and start to earn full-time. Good day, travel partners! Today, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is how to book hotel. So first, log into your portal and click the hotel button. Okay, upon clicking the hotel button, may lalabas po na options, which is the search and hotel booking history. Now, to search for hotels, click po natin ang search button. First, we need to input the specific city for us to be able to check yung mga hotels na available for that specific city. Let's say for example, for Cebu City. Okay, so we need to click Cebu City. Kung ibang city naman, let's say for example, Davao, Philippines. Yan, so we need to select. So let's say for example, let's search for Cebu City. As you can see, aside po sa destination or specific city na kailangan natin input, we need also to input yung date for check-in. So let's say for example, mag-check-in po yung client nyo by December 1 until December 4. So kailangan lang po natin specify yung mga dates. And next, we need to input kung ilang rooms. So let's say for example, yung client po ay gusto nilang nila is isang rooms kasi dalawa lang po sila, dalawang adult. So in case po merong child, make sure to input and input the child's age. So let's say for example, wala na ng child. Gawin natin 0. So yan. So for hotel, make sure nakalagay yung city, check-in date, number of rooms, and number of guests. So, click po natin yung search button for us to be able to search a hotel within Cebu City. So, antay po natin na lalabas lahat po ng mga hotels and inns or partners ng eBiyahe for accommodation dito sa Cebu. So, as you can see, ito na po from 3-star to 4-star po ata ito. Check natin. So, for you to be able to check po yung pinakamataas na star, okay, sa mga hotels, click po natin ito. So, as you can see, yung pinakamahal is itong Badyan Island. So, meron siyang 5-star ratings. So, balik tayo sa pinakamababa. Let's say, for example, this one, Pacific Pension. So, yung per night niya lang po is 3,285.54. Take note, kanina, during the training, for the service charge, naglagay na po tayo ng 500. So, sa 3,285.54, included na po dyan yung 500 pesos nyo na commission per booking. So, let's say for example, ito po yung gusto nung i-book ni client. Itong Pacific Pension. Click lang po natin yung book button and check. Pwede po natin i-check yung hotel at click lang po natin yung book na button. And as you can see, ito po yung lalabas. So, andito po yung mga details ng hotel. Like for example, hotel amenities, room amenities, and at the same time, yung pinaka malapit na tourist attraction. So, makikita nyo po yan dito. Okay? So, in case ito na po talaga yung gustong i-book ni client, so let's proceed. Click po natin yung book now. Okay? May confirmation na po na lalabas na prompt message which is, are you sure you want to continue with this room? So, click lang po natin yung yes. So, ngayon, input lang po natin yung details. For contact details, since tayo po yung magbubook, so input po natin yung information natin dito. Okay, at mail ID. And then, for the room or for the guest details, okay, kailangan po tama yung guest details for your client. So, pangalan po nila, yung first name and last name. And then, click po natin yung book. So, kapag i-click na po natin yung book, automatic po yan. Yung confirmation or yung hotel voucher, mapupunta po dito sa hotel booking history. Okay, dito naman sa hotel booking history, lahat po ng ibubook nating hotels within 6 months, okay, same thing with airline, ay lalabas po dito. Let's say for example, meron po tayong booking, okay, within June 4 to October 31, click lang po natin yung submit. So as you can see, since wala po tayong booking for hotel dito sa ating portal, so wala po tayong record. But lahat po talaga ng inyong mga bookings for the hotel, dito na lang po makikita. I hope meron po kayong natutunan and see you on our next video training. For more video trainings and information, kindly watch all the video posted here on our website. More bookings and congratulations in advance.